Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Luna and
Kenny.
we're also here with Chris today. So we're playing normal. Don't press the button. We're playing the first one ever. So I am very excited today. Are you good, Kelly? Oh my god. We won.
Yay. Chris,
Okay.
why you need a hot potato?
Plain hot potato. Yeah, potato hot. Oh, she died.
Hot potato, hot potato, hot potato, hot potato, hot potato.
No, she passed it, Chris. So this is Kelly, and that's Chris.
Chris really collected my diamond.
Oh my god. What a shame.
Did she press it?
I just did.
What is going on? Sucks for you, Chris. I
Woo.
collected all of
Woohoo! I stopped the fire. Oh my god. There's multiple? They never used to. There only used to be one. But we were in the new one before, so well anyway, I survived. Mystery lever, pull it, yes or no? Yes, of course we have to pull it. Uh-oh, we're gonna fall. I had a feeling we're gonna fall, but that's alright. Okay. Oh, you see, it was just awful. Oh my god. Me and Chris were next to each other. Oh my god, Chris is raging, guys. Just don't mind her. She just raging, cause, oh dang. Oh, I died. Did you guys? You got this, Kelly. Come on, Chris. Come on, Kelly. You got it.
Oh my god, I died.
Oh, that's okay. You're with me, and so is Chris. That's alright. Oh my god.
I want to survive.
Yeah, it's a little bit hard. Because it goes... Anything up there.
Wow. Unbelievable. I got the
Trampoline!
wow! Yeah, baby.
Woohoo! We love the trampoline. Boing. Boing. Diamond. I need the diamond. I got the diamond. Oh! I died.
Oh, I died.
That's okay. You can just try again.
Chris died. Oh, I died.
I died. I was so close. Oh my god, Chris is raging, guys. Don't mind him. And I died again.
Haven't even made it past the first platform. Oh!
Oh, same.
I'll just give up trying, you know?
Nah, you should always keep trying, Kelly, and I done. Kelly, never give up.
Yeah. Never give up. Never gonna give you up.
Nah, that's copyrighted. That's copyrighted. I died on that part too, Kelly. I know. Damn it.
What about over here?
I don't know.
Never wanna give you up.
Kelly.
Never wanna let you down. Wow! Wow! Wow!
Yeah, just don't fall.
Did you guys die?
No. Chris, did you die? I think they should Chris died.
Chris, did you die?
No, she didn't. She's still in. I see you, Chris. Chris is right in front of me too. This was so much harder in the other, game. Where the rolling like dudes were heads were coming down the conveyor belt.
What is this?
I don't know.
Oh,
I got blown off.
I see. I can't move.
I can't move.
Come on.
I wasn't trying to get you. I couldn't move. Did you kill me, Kelly?
I didn't kill you.
You did. I couldn't move and you killed me. Yeah, that's karma. You deserve that, Kelly.
Hello, youngin. Hello. Good. Is mom here? Yeah. Can I see her, please? Yeah. Thank you.
Woohoo! Oh, I died. That okay.
Your life was so blonde. Did not realize how blonde you were. Does it get more blonde in the sun? Yeah, I think so. I think so. Go ahead and check my email. I like those socks.
Thank you.
Who that, Kelly?
Hey! What? I want to make my thing off.
Oh, me and Chris keep dying. Oh my god.
What do you think I feel? Did I say I'm not gonna be a vampire?
I already know, Kelly. Bro, we all suck at this. It's only us. It was only us that couldn't make it.
I died at the end.
Oh, good.
What's on me? Yellow.
Oh, again.
I get over.
Oh, it's a t-shirt cannon. This dude's been doing it to everyone. Oh, he gives t-shirts to everyone. They look ugly. I'm glad I banned. Ugh. Felt so nice to get rid of that t-shirt he gave me. You got this.
That was parkour.
Oh, it's hard to see. Yeah, you're right. I just literally died. I'm the only one that hasn't made it. Yay!
Yay! I copied it.
Ah! This is no longer made for kids. Yeah, because the dude gave you a t-shirt.
I want a t-shirt.
It looks ugly. All you have to do is just stand in the middle with the back off. I dare you to try it. I died too. I tried it and I died. It okay, Chris? It okay, Chris?
I died. Yeah.
It okay. Oh, it's going very faster now. Okay, the button has been pressed. Oh, okay. Run. You need to get up to high ground. Ah! Come on, Kelly, it's just us. Chris, did you not make it? Oh,
My t-shirt.
that's
I have a
okay.
t-shirt.
Woohoo, we did. No, as you guys know, we have already played Don't Press the Button for. Which one do you think's better? Don't Press the Button for or this one?
I like trains.
Oh,
Don't have the button for.
same. Well, this one is the original, but I agree that they have improved a lot. Get away, kid. Oh no, Chris has it!
Because why did he get the blue t-shirt and not me? Where's mine?
I don't want one because it looks ugly. He's given it to me several times. No. Everyone knows now. No. Yay. Yeah, we do. We know what would have happened if we start. Ooh.
Someone's invisible.
Yeah, it's true. Someone is.
I feel like the other one did that.
Yeah, they have definitely upgraded it a lot. I'm not letting you get it, Chris. Get off. Poor Chris. I only have 10. You're lucky you have 14. Now I have 13, thank God. We have this invisible dude up in here. Yeah, the invisible dude won. Yeah, because the invisible dude he had a sword that made him invisible. Oh, Chris. Nice job, I guess. Oh my God, it looks like Blade Ball. How dare you kill her? Now we can see who's so good. I'm gonna die. All I need is one hit and he's instantly won. Yeah, I know. Oh, it's a tar, dude. Great job. He gave me he was trying to give me a shirt, but I just literally went no.
What?
This is like it's time to repeat now. They definitely have a lot more options now. They have a lot more options. So. Yeah, I know. Everyone managed to get the thing. Okay, this will be our last one, and then it will be over with. Yep, this is going to be our last one, which was one of the first ones. So yeah, this will be our last one. Don't forget to comment any game suggestions, guys, and make sure you like and subscribe. And we will See you soon. Say bye, guys. Okay, Kelly says bye.